Is WhatsApp using your mobile data even when you're not using the app? Stop it now. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off WhatsApp background data on Android to save data, reduce battery usage, and stop WhatsApp from running in the background. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip that can help you reduce WhatsApp data usage even more. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. 1. Stop WhatsApp using data in the background. Go to Settings and tap Apps. Find and select WhatsApp from the app list. Inside WhatsApp's App Info page, tap Mobile Data Usage or Mobile Data depending on your Android device. Toggle off background data or allow background data usage depending on your phone. Once disabled, WhatsApp won't use mobile data in the background when you're not actively using the app. This can help reduce data consumption significantly. 2. Restrict battery usage on WhatsApp. Long press on the WhatsApp app and tap App Info or I button. Scroll down and tap App Battery Usage or Battery depending on your phone. Toggle off. Allow background usage. If you've Samsung Galaxy device, choose a restricted. It will restrict battery usage while WhatsApp is running in the background. This helps prevent WhatsApp from running background processes and using extra battery power. Bonus tip. To save more data, open WhatsApp. Tap 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and tap Settings. Then Storage and Data. Disable automatic media downloads for photos, audio, videos, and documents when using mobile data. This can dramatically reduce data usage. And that's how you can turn off WhatsApp background data on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.